What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully each and every one of you guys is having a great and amazing day. My day is not so great. Once again, we've run into an issue where we do not have power steering, all-wheel drive mode systems. Everything is pretty much disabled, but we know why. Last time this happened, I forgot to tighten this lug right here. This time around, I accidentally touched that lug and it arced and we blew the fuse, and I've been looking all over to get this mega fuse, which I'm hoping is this one right here. Otherwise, it's a special order from Ford. It's going to take about a week to get. So this lug right here controls your power steering module, and as you see, it goes into here. So we're simply going to remove these and we should be good to go. It looks right.
Yeah, this looks. You have to disconnect that one? Or no?
It's probably a good idea. It's gonna be a 10.
10?
It's no muscles, man.
Would be safe to touch it?
Hold on.
I don't want to pop that thing.
It's sort of 8 long.
What's equivalent to it?
An 8.
16th, huh?
It's 8 millimeter long.
Take this size real quick though.
I got it. This is the longest but shortest bolt in the world.
Can you get it with your fingers now?
No, because of the channels.
Let's see if this fits. Perfect fit. Yep. This is the size. So 5/16 will fit. You have to take out that bottom one too, or no?
Nope. Let's inspect.
Does it look popped? You can see it right there in the back. Can you see it?
Yeah, it's for sure popped. I can hear it. Looks right. Let's see.
It looks exactly the same. Oh, dude, look at that. Look at the middle.
I know.
I was looking at this, and it actually controls everything in the passenger side area box, fuse box.
No, it doesn't.
It doesn't?
No.
I thought that's what it said on the.
Power steering module.
I thought it was the fuse that goes over there to that side. And I was just reading it. Might have been reading something else then.
Yeah, you might have been reading a different module.
Screw. Long as hell, huh? So this one controls everything?
Yeah, that's your main.
All-wheel drive, everything.
Yep. Well, if you don't have power steering, it shuts down your all-wheel
yeah.
drive.
That's true.
one more nut, and we'll put the battery back on and see if it worked.
I'm pretty sure this thing was blown. Like, hell, blown.
It was funny, as soon as I touched that, I knew it was blown. Remember I said, oh, I'm pretty sure I just blew a fuse?
Yeah. Oh, like when it sparked the first time?
Yeah.
Yeah. Like, when you're reaching in there, I didn't think you were gonna, like fully touch it. I thought you were gonna use your hand to wiggle it to see if it moves.
Oh, damn it.
I'm gonna put my fingers on it.
Yeah, see if you can get that bottom one started. Alright guys, it's the moment of truth. Hop in this damn car. Higher pressure. It was a blown fuse, as I suspected. Alright, let's get this intake in place. Or first off, this one over.
Oh, you have a different battery box.
Okay.
You used to sit up higher, huh?
So that's all the way up. Impact is back on. Intake is back on, excuse me. I doubt this is going to start, but we'll try it anyhow. As I told you guys in one of the previous videos, I do have to log for Stratified. I need to do a cold start because my cold start isn't working properly right now. Sounds a little rough. Start that at about 5 seconds. And we need some jumper cables. Alright guys, let there be power. Let's try this again. Make sure that there's no codes. And let's start the log. 5 seconds. Alright guys, so luckily that fuse fit, and as you see, it worked. I literally was pulling as hard as I could and the wheel would barely turn, so wasn't going to be driving around like that, that's for sure. Obviously on a roll it'd be much easier, as I experienced last time. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you have, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button, drop a comment in the comment section below. It is time to go do a data log like I said, so catch that in the next video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and if If you have and you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. Until next time, I'm checking.
Yeah, boy.